Okay, put
How do you ride? No, nope. Okay, show me how you start it up now.
This
Okay, flip the switch. Okay, now what?
button.
Okay, push it.
I help.
Gotta hold it down for a second. Push it.
I need help. Put it.
Push it.
Attack. Two. You telling me?
Push it.
Put it.
It's review time.
Push it.
Review.
You.
Yep. Okay, push it. Like this. Oh. Oh, you know why it's not starting? Because it's not in neutral. Alright. So, now it's in neutral. Now push it. Okay. Okay. So we talked about the throttle. If you go like this. Okay, but don't do it all the way, alright? Not redline it for. Okay? Throttle. And you got the brake. You got the clutch. You got the shifter down there. And you got the rear brake over here. Okay? Now this guy's gonna ride the motorcycle, huh?
Yeah, I know how.
You know how? Okay, how do you shut it off? Yep, go ahead, push it. Alright, good job. Alright, what's this lever? You know what this lever is for? It's called the clutch. Okay? When you pull the clutch in, it disengages the engine from the wheel. Yep. So it won't go when you're stopped. Okay? You want to do it again? Well, you're going to have to show me how everything on here first. What's this one right here? Front brake?
Right.
The front brake? What's this one over here?
A blue back.
The back brake?
No.
Okay, what's this one over here?
A back.
Shifter.
Shifter.
See, now it's in first. Neutral. You go another one. You could go another one. Have to go. Be moving to go into second. But keep going. Second, third, fourth, fifth,